Okay, y'all, welcome to my mess. I don't know if you can see this, but this is my exercise room, and I have a mess going on. Ever since I had family over, this room just has had stuff shoved in it so that we could make room in the other rooms for people. So I need to get organized. And that is what I'm going to do today. So people have left. So I need to get this room organized. My thoughts are all over the place. I had an old brown cupboard type thing that I had here, and I have replaced it with this bookcase. So I'm excited that I have an actual bookcase, and I have all of these keto and carnivore cookbooks and PSMF cookbooks that I bought from Maria Emmerich a long time ago, and it is high time that I organize them. So the brown bookcase, well, it was kind of a bookcase. It was a cupboard with a door, but the books didn't really fit in there very well. So this is going to be much better. So my keto and carnivore cookbooks and all the different scientific keto type healthy living books are all going to go in here. I'm going to start organizing, getting my room back in order, and that's what this video is going to be about, because my life is in pieces today. So I tried to do a video earlier on a cookie recipe, and it was horrible. I'm not even going to put it in my cooking fail recipe because it was the cookie actually tasted good, but when I took a bite, I about choked on that dang cookie. I couldn't even swallow. It was horrible. I hated it. So no, that cookie recipe is not going out. I would not recommend it to my worst enemy. So, I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm gonna dust. That's what I'm gonna do. So, I am going to dust my little bookcase. This bookcase is brand new. It was just sent to me by a company, and I will put their link down below. I think it's beautiful. I have been wanting to get a new cupboard here, and they approached me and let me pick out a piece of furniture, and this is what I picked out. They had so many neat things. They had all these wonderful desks, and my husband already had the desks that they have, and he loves them, but I don't need a desk, so this is what I need. It was perfect for me. So I just got it in and had my hubby put it together, so I'm just giving it a little wipe down. Get the little styrofoam pieces off. It came in really fast, you guys. So it's got a couple shelves and a drawer, and I am just gonna start putting my books on it. I did a live stream in here the other day with Cindy DeManchi, and I sat it up over here, and I was using my cookbooks to prop up my laptop. I am not a professional, you guys. When I first heard of PSMF and Maria Emmerich, I bought a ton of her cookbooks. And that's originally what got me losing weight back around COVID time. So, I have a ton of her cookbooks. And I have a lot of other cookbooks. Do y'all like old things? I got this from my mother-in-law, the Settlement Cookbook. When they were getting rid of their house, I took a bunch of old books. So it has some some old time recipes in it. This is an old book, you guys. I can't see getting rid of old books like this. I'm just drawn to them. Let's see if we can see copyright 1940. Oh my gosh. It's got some neat things in here though. Beet juice, goose liver, banberry tarts, weird stuff, fondant, sponge cake, cabbage, cake with butter, cake kisses, all kinds of neat stuff. I have another one that's, oh, look at this. This is the chapter for us. This is the beef chart. Tells you all the different cuts of beef. That's what I need. Page 151. So I have another one that is, gosh, where is it? I don't know where it is, but I'm going to come across it. It's all the old stuff, remedies, old remedies and stuff. I love the colors on Maria Emmerich's books. They're pretty. Oh, here's a plant book I got from my mom. It's an old one on house plants. Oh, this is one. Here we go. Back to the basics. So that's a Reader's Digest book, Back to the Basics, and I could not see getting rid of that. I love old books like this that show how the old timers used to do it. Now this is 1981. I guess I shouldn't say back in the olden days. I was born then, but it was back in the olden days. I love that kind of stuff. See, I even stored a rug in here. I gotta get my life cleaned up, y'all. So I bought one of those rugs that you have, that you put the foam underneath and that you can wash. Well, my dogs are obsessed with the foam. And the rugs are expensive. It's like 300 bucks. So I'm trying to wait till my dogs mature so they won't chew up the foam. And that's not happening. So that's why I have a brand new rug that's just stored. I like the rug, I don't want to get rid of it, but I don't want it chewed up. So I don't know when my puppies will mature enough for me to use the rug. Okay. Well, at least I got that big rug out of here. Don't you wish that books were all the same size? I wish they were. My little puppy has to follow me everywhere, and he brought me his little bone in here. Put it on my rebounder. He's cute. So it may not be the most traditional use of a bookcase, but I think I'm going to put my exercise equipment down in the cupboard. I don't have a place for my barbells, so I think that's what I'm going to do. need a bit of practice. I have no idea what this stuff is. I think it's supposed to anchor around the door so you can put stretch bands on it, but I don't know how it works. I don't know. I don't understand it. What the fuck is this? What is this? Oh. So much more organized. These are my Govee lights. I love them. They can do all kinds of neat stuff. So if you have a karaoke party, you can turn these on. We did that when my family was down, and we had a blast. I hooked them up out there next to my TV, and we did karaoke, and it was fun. Ooh, it's got an exercise mode. Since this is my exercise room, let's see what my exercise mode's gonna be. I like it. Ooh, we got some good lights to get pumped, huh? Anyways, I don't think I can play that music because I'll probably get demonetized, but that's the lights that show up for exercise. And since this is my exercise room, we will close on these lights. But I will give you a once over. Now, just so you know, I do have my background up here. So I will start there for when I do live streams. And here I have my rebounder down there. And my bike and my beautiful new bookcase that's helping me get organized. I'm so glad I got that bookcase. You know, bookcases are not just for books, you guys. It helped me get my all my exercise equipment organized, because before it was all over my TV stand and underneath my TV, and it was ridiculous. Ridiculous. All right, you guys, I have no excuse now. I have got to start exercising. My room is decluttered. I got to figure out what that one strap is for that goes on the door. I think I will sit down on the couch tonight and Google it, because I have no idea. If I can't figure it out, I'm going to do a live stream, and hopefully one of y'all can tell me how to hook that thing up to my door, because I have had it forever and I need to use it. So I know somebody's smart out there, and I know somebody out there exercises, and I know you can tell me. All right, you guys, let me turn this light back on. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna close it out, and thanks for cleaning and organizing with me today. I hope to catch you again here next time. Bye.